Hello everyone, Grammar Crackers welcomes you to the world of grammar. Today our topic is kind of noun. There are five kinds of noun: common noun, proper noun, collective noun, material noun, and abstract noun. In this video, we will discuss the two important topics. First one is common noun. Common noun is a name given to a person, place, animal, thing in general, not a particular one. Example: boy, city, cow, book, etc. इन हिंदी वी कैन से जातिवाचक संज्ञा वह संज्ञा है जो किसी व्यक्ति, स्थान, वस्तु या पशु के सामान्य नाम को कहते हैं, ना कि विशेष नाम को, जैसे लड़का, गाय, किताब, घर आदि. Here we are some examples. I think all the examples are very easy and you can easily find out. If you know the answer, give the answer in the comment box. Second one is proper noun. Proper noun is the name of a particular person, place, animal, and thing. Example: Madan, Ganga, London, Mitchell, etc. इन हिंदी व्यक्तिवाचक संज्ञा वह संज्ञा है जो किसी विशेष व्यक्ति, वस्तु, स्थान या पशु के नाम को बताती है, जैसे मदन, लंदन, गंगा, मिचबिल आदि. Here are some examples of proper as well as common noun, which clarifies. Cat, common. The name of the cat is Kitty, so it is proper noun. Same rule applies to boy. Boy is common and Rahul is proper. Bruno is proper. Dog is common. Okay, remember always one thing. कि proper noun always begins with a capital letter no matter where it comes in the sentence. It is an example. My friend is Ria. Here, even though the word Ria comes at the end of the sentence, it still begins with a capital letter R because it is a proper noun. And the same rule applies to Ganga or any other special name. Do you know the difference between March and March? Yes, first difference is one March is with capital and other March starts with the small letter. इससे कोई difference होगा? Yes, it will create a difference. You might be wondering, does it really matter if we write the small letters instead of capital letters? Just have a look. March with capital M means month. वो month जिसमें हम आइसक्रीम खाते हैं. And march with a small m means to walk like soldiers. I haven't found the picture of marching soldier, so here is the picture of a salute just to give you an idea. तो इससे ये पता चलता है स्मॉल चेंज मेक्स अ बिग डिफरेंस, जिसको मोस्टली भी इग्नोर कि कैपिटल और स्मॉल से कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. Okay, now it's homework time. Can you find more words which change their meaning when written with capital and small letters? I think it is very simple. You can do it. Okay, it's over for today. Thank you for watching and like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.